Hello the lovely Munchkins and welcome in my new video, which will be get to know me, or like facts, randomly telling facts about me. And I must say, for the first thing, I don't know why the hell I didn't record this last year. I had written this for almost 7 months. Random facts which I'm going to tell you, and I even wanted to make more parts because there is lots of bullshit what I can say about me and people might laugh about that, but you know, I don't care. But yeah, first thing is, hi, I'm Lizzy, and I'm telling this to you guys because lots of people asking me why I'm calling myself like this. I'm calling myself like this for over 10 years already, and I'm not doing that just like for fun. I love when people calling me that, so please call me that like you too, you know. I like when people call me Lizzy, that's much better for me. Fact number 2 will be probably this kind of things, and I knew that it would sound a bit weird, but I love collect mugs or any kind of cups which I can hang on a wall, which I will show you over here, guys. I love collecting them. I'm like receiving them, so if you are my friend or anyone, you know with what you can make me happy. Just buy me a mug and I can hang that on a wall. I seriously do love that. But next big weird thing, which is not actually that weird, is this. See that? That's a tea collection, and most of them I actually received from my mom, and I love them. I really love them, and actually I love this because it looks actually pretty cute, and it's very funny because most of the time it's there. I don't know. Is this like German? Is it? Because I think it is, but it's say Old England, so. And I actually bought that just because of the package, because I like it. Don't judge me, I like teas, and I don't care what kind of teas these are, because it's tea. If it's tea, I love it. That's all. Next thing what I like to receive and collect are these little cuties. Pretty heavy cuties. That's books. If you don't know what is book, it's that old thing what you use in your school if you are the same age like me, because I knew that lots of youngsters, they don't know actually what the hell is this, and they don't even know that the smell of it is the best. Because yeah, this is practically only reason why I'm actually buying books. I love the first smell of the book when you open that. And actually these books are currently my go-to read. So if you actually are on Goodreads, go and follow me there, or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm using that maybe 3 years, but I still don't have a friends there, and I want to see how many of my friends reading books. So you can even participate in this year challenge of reading books. This year I make myself challenge to read 100 books, because last year I a little bit failed. I read just 65 from 200, so I must change the number, and I hope it wouldn't be such disappointment to myself when I wouldn't read 100 books. Yeah, that's just me. Next fact, and no, I'm not counting that because I'm bad at it actually, are these little things. And yes, this is watch. And if you see that over here, it means it's just for fashion. I'm not using them or knowing how much hour it is, because this is secret. Don't tell it anyone, because lots of people making fun of me, but I don't get them. No, I'm not joking. I will let you the time for laughing, because that's everything what I every time get when I'm telling this to people that I don't know these kind of vlogs. So yeah, laugh at me, I'm not gonna be hurt. Okay, stop laughing. Seriously. I actually even don't remember if I ever tried to understand them. But probably I didn't. This is why I do have 15 of them, and they're just all for fashion or Instagram photos, because there's like, you know, aesthetic. You need to have a good photo on Instagram with a nice watch. So yeah, that will be the reason. Another fact about me is I'm suffering for social anxiety. I mostly suffered that when I was a bit younger than I'm right now, but that's something what I'm still suffering. I don't like people that much to be surrounded with loads of them, and most of the time, which my friends were likely saying that, Lizzy, you are surrounded with people just if they're your friends or you are drunk. So yeah, this is something you can apply for me. If you ever see me surrounded by people or to have attention of people, I'm drunk. That's the only reason when I get attention from other human beings on this planet. Or the other reason is they're my friends and they need to pay me attention because they're my friends and they're supposed to pay me attention because that's what friends are doing. I'm a good friend, don't worry. I love black and purple, and this is very funny because it's like out of hands. I'm just going to tell you what kind of colors I do like, but yeah, two colors are my most favorites and I love them, adore them, and if I could have everything just in these two colors, I will be the most happiest person ever. But that's impossible because I already hate have black hair, I already hate have purple hair, so that will be difficult. I would just change my hair and clothes having the same color. Nah, I still do love them, but I can't have everything what I want in this world. If I would have £1 million probably, but that would never happen. I would need probably just donate my organs or sell them or something like that. Maybe that would make money for me. This will be probably very, very weird fact about me, but I'm asexual and I'm bisexual in the same time, and I'm proud of being asexual. And I don't know why the hell I'm bisexual, because I don't know sometimes to who I'm attracted, and in the past year and a half I hate labeling. Even when I label myself as something, I hate when I'm labeling someone or someone labeling me. So it's a bit hard, but I will get through to it. Oh, at least I could try. But this leading me to another thing which absolutely doesn't have anything to do with this kind of topic, but I do have a disease called thyroid or thyroid gland, which causing me hormonal dysfunction, so my metabolism doesn't work, and I'm using medicaments for at least trying to help me with these kind of things, so I wouldn't gain that much weight, and I would try to lose weight because of this thing, but it doesn't want to work at all. So I'm just gaining, and one day I will be so much fat that I wouldn't get through my door. That would be funny actually, but I don't wanna ever go there to be that much fat. How I then was supposed to wear anything if I will be that fat? I would need to make people to see my things. That costs lots of money. I don't have things for that shit. I'm barely living for Jesus Christ. So yeah, that's it. What else I could say, you guys? Oh yeah, I do have a ferret, which you can view from my Instagram if you're following me. If you're not, go down is like a link, so you can click on it and go follow me there. I will be very happy about that. And next about, I don't like actually the youngest puppies, any kind of animal, if it's dog, cat. I'm not gonna include ferrets because ferrets are always so small, they're not going to change that much. But I prefer older pets over younger because I like rescuing them from shelters, and I hate actually when people just throw their pets into shelters just with no reason. I'm extremely against that. Yeah, so just don't do that, people. If you don't want to have pets, just say it, and don't receive them for any kind of holidays, Christmas, your birthday. Don't do that because poor pets, it's so bad. And I hate that. And I'm going to cry about that. And the last two facts which I'm going to tell you is, in very past, maybe 3 years, 4 years, during my cosplay kind of life, which is one of the facts, I suffer for bulimia nervosa, which caused me mostly because of my cosplay life, if I can say something like that. I never had actually cosplay life. If I did that, it wasn't that successful, and I never actually did that like I want to be so much well known for my cosplay. No, I did that just for fun. And during this time, lots of people, even now when I'm not doing that actually anymore because I don't like it, I actually hate it, and I'm not even following any kind of cosplayers or any kind of stuff like that because I just hate that already. I don't hate anime, manga, and any kind of these things. I just hate cosplay and cosplay community. Not my friends though, they're fine, some of them. Because this community make me feel so bad about myself that every time when I see almost naked cosplayers, I just want to throw my whole guts away, because for me it's just like this kind of feeling I have when I'm seeing these kind of cosplays, because most of the time just girls want to show, look at me, how beautiful I am, how skinny I am, and how I'm absolutely not required to do that cosplay because I don't even look like that, or I'm just trying to be so sexy in a bikinis or any kind of things like that because they think it's extremely cool. And believe me, I did saw lots of bikini type of version of some anime characters. That bikini doesn't have even anything to do with the character. I hate this kind of cosplays, okay? So yeah, and with this, lots of people hate me just because I was fat, and oh my god, look at her, she's fat, she can't do cosplay because cosplay is just for skinny people. Excuse me? Are you out of your mind? Not true. So this actually caused me a bit problem, but I did get over it because I just said, fuck you guys, you're not gonna tell me what I can and can't do, so just go in your shitholes and everything will be fine. Again. And yes, with this, my extremely last fact is, I was a cosplayer in my worst days in my life, and no, I'm not doing cosplay anymore, not because I didn't enjoy that. I still do have a lot of my cosplays, but I'm not doing that to present myself in the world like, look at me, how beautiful costume I did. And mostly because I don't enjoy that like I did a few years back, because then I was with friends, I did what I liked, but when things get a bit hard and a bit over the point when you could handle it, it's not very funny at all. So yeah, that's all guys. And now you have some new information with me. And by the way, about information like how old are you or anything, I don't like respond for these kind of questions because I'm old, I knew it, and you don't need to do it. But otherwise you can read that just on my Instagram actually, so just go there, like yet, I'm going to like go on my Instagram. You can follow me there. You can see my journeys in there, even when I'm not actually posting that frequently. But I'm trying, okay? I have my life, real life, so don't be so harsh on me. And of course, with the Instagram, I'm even going to tell you that currently, still, I'm doing lots of Q&A sessions on my Instagram. So if you want to know something absolutely different from my YouTube or anything, just go there, just go follow me there and just watch my story so you can participate in this kind of things, because, well, it's fun and I like to communicate with you guys. So this will be end of the video and I will see you next. Bye bye guys.